I just ordered Pura 90s Pro Max to Huawei. I don't know what. They give very big parcel to me. Okay, let me check. Okay, check what they give. Very big parcel. Oh. Okay. First mobile is there. Okay. Then one earbuds is there. Okay. I bought this all together around 4,100 real. It's actually 4,700 real. They gave me offer for 4,300. Then I asked, then I messaged to Huawei customer care. Then I asked additional discount. Then they give me 200 more additional discount. I just pay 4,100 only. Only this mobile cost around 4,700. But these are extra they gave me. They one coffee maker. See this one. It's really nice, looking good. There is the sticker. Okay, I open what is there. We will check. Something they give me. Wow, it's beautiful, man. It's really nice. Wow. Okay.